Hey guys, if you've picked which creative characterization project you would like to do, the first thing you have to do is make a copy of the template. So I'm just using the fake Instagram one to keep it simple, so I only have to do one video. It's the same directions for every single one. So I'm going to go up to File. I'm going to go down to Make a Copy. I'm going to select Entire Presentation because we need all of the slides. So make a copy, entire presentation, and it will open up a little place for you to rename the document. Literally take out the copy of part and write your first and last name, and then hit OK. If it'll ever load. Now you have your own personal copy with your name in front of it and what it is. All right. That's all you have to do. If you have any questions, please feel free to message me. I'll be happy to help you guys.